In this lecture, we take an example of reduction formula. Now we have to evaluate integration of x sine to the power 7x cos to the power 4x with under the limit 0 to pi with respect to x. We have to evaluate I is equal to integration under the limit 0 to pi of the function x into sine to the power 7x cos to the power 4x with respect to x. Now we know about the very important definite formula, integration of f of x under the limit 0 to a, which is equal to integration of f of a minus x under the same limit with respect to x. Here, the upper limit is pi. Therefore, this x can be replaced by pi minus x. This can be also replaced by pi minus x, and this can be also replaced by pi minus x, which gives us integration under the limit 0 to pi of pi minus x sine to the power 7 pi minus x and cos to the power 4 pi minus x with respect to x. If we further simplify it, we know that sine pi minus x is equal to sine x and cos pi minus x is equal to minus cos x. If we calculate the value of sine pi minus x whole to the power 7, it will become sine x to the power 7, and cos pi minus x to the power 4 is minus cos x whole to the power 4. Since its power is even, so it will become cos to the power 4x. Let us open the bracket. It will be converted to integration under the limit 0 to pi into sine to the power 7x into cos to the power 4x minus x under integration under the limit 0 to pi of x sine to the power 7x cos to the power 4x dx. If we see the second integration of this expression or this problem, it is nothing but the value of I. So we replace this integration as I. Now we take pi from the first integration outside, which gives us pi into integration of 0 to pi sine to the power 7x cos to the power 4x with respect to x minus I. Now we replace this I to the left hand side. It will become I plus I is 2I. And we also know there is a formula of sine to the power integration under the limit 0 to pi sine to the power mx cos to the power nx dx is equal to 2 times of the integration under the limit 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power mx cos to the power nx when n is even. Here power of cosine is even. Therefore, the limit should be breaked into 2 times of 0 to pi by 2. Now this 2 and this 2 will cancel. We have I equal to pi integration under the limit 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 7x cos to the power 4x with respect to x. Now we can apply reduction formula. We know that integration under the limit 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power mx cos to the power nx dx is equal to m minus 1, m minus 3 up to 2r1 into n minus 1, n minus 3, which gives up to 2r1 whole divided by m plus n minus 2, m plus n minus 4 up to 2r1 into p, where p is equal to pi by 2 if m and n both are even, and its value is 1 for any other values of m and n. If we apply this formula in this integration, we will get first pi. In place of m, it is 7. 7 minus 1, 7 minus 3, 7 minus 5. First part, this one. Similarly, for the second part, 4 minus 1 and 4 minus 3. Whole divided by 7 plus 4 is 11. 11, 11 minus 2, 11 minus 4, 11 minus 6, 11 minus 8, and 11 minus 10. Just one before. Since here m is 7 and n is 4, so one is odd, another is even. So we have to just multiply. The value of p will be 1. We have to just multiply by 1. Now let us simplify it. 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. If we simplify it, let us simplify it. This 3, 1 is 3, 3, 3 is 9. Again, 3, 1 is 3, 2 is 6. So in the numerator, what we are getting? 2 into 4 into 2, which is 16 pi. And in denominator, 11 into 3 into 7 into 5. If we multiply all these values, we are getting 1155. Therefore, the value of the integration under the limit 0 to pi of x sine to the power 7x cos to the power 4x dx is equal to 16 pi upon 1155. Thank you.